Yeah, it's Friday. It's a very chilly evening. Actually, it was raining. It has been raining, I think, for 2 to 3 hours. But it's so cold. This is very. I like the sound of the birds on top here, yeah, from these trees. Yeah, the sounds. The sound is coming from there. And then here, actually, I'm heading home. See, if you can look, it's very cloudy. It's been raining the whole day from 1 o'clock. Actually, it's more than 3 hours. It's been raining from 1 o'clock. If I can show you here. This is a field. There's a church here. Then the other day they built a field whereby kids they can play soccer. Yeah. So you see, there's a field here. So it's very cloudy. It's very cloudy. In front of me there. Let me show you somewhere there in front. There, I think it's less than 5 kilometers. There is a mining site. I'll show you one of these days when it's not raining. I don't know if we have time. I'll take you there. But in the meantime, have a look at this place. It's beautiful. It's beautiful and cold. It's very cold. The street is empty. The street is very empty. I'm staying somewhere on top there. Yeah, the street is empty, empty, empty. People are inside because it's cold. Even now, it's still drizzling, but it's not as much. You'll be able to walk, to have an evening walk. Yeah. So please subscribe to my channel. I'll really appreciate. Comment, leave some advice there if you have any advice of how I can do better. Yeah, for now I'm not editing my videos. I'm putting it raw as it is until when I reach maybe to 200 subscribers. I really appreciate it. So please guys, if you come across my video, subscribe. My name is Sylvester. Have a good time. Enjoy your weekend. See you next time. Bye. Keep well. For those who are drinking, I heard Uhuru Kenyatta saying Uji. Please drink Uji responsibly. And if you are driving, drive responsibly. Have a good time. See you next time on my next video.